Hey, what is up, guys? Back again with another video, and today we're going to be looking at the Nova launcher. Now this you can get this launcher in the Play Store. So as you can see, I'm using a fairly simple setup with the launcher. I have a clock at the top, and then it comes with a Google search bar, as well as I have my I guess social media categorized in a folder. And then you can also customize the different layout of the way your folders look. As you can see, there's like a little oval underneath this folder, and then I have another folder for my games and stuff that I usually try to do videos and stuff, and then I also have a little app for my messages. Then you can also, with this app, you can change the way you want the grid. It doesn't exactly have to be a 4x1 grid. You can actually place your grid in between the different coordinates as far as that goes. Now with this launcher, I am running a one-page setup because that's pretty much all I would really need. And then in the background, I am using an app called Tap It. Now this app changes pretty much every 5 minutes. I believe that's the interval that I have it on. And then down here in the dock, I have camera, Chrome, and then this is the regular app drawer that comes with the app. Now in this one, you can change the background that you want in the back of the app drawer, and then you can also change the way you want your if you want them to be transparent and stuff. And then on the right side of the app drawer, I have my contacts and then the Play Store, so I can go and look for apps and stuff. Now I usually don't use the app drawer that comes with the Nova launcher, just because I really don't care for it too much. So usually I get rid of it and just use a different one that came with another app that I use called OmniSwipe. Now I use that whenever it's really simple. All you gotta do is swipe from one corner, one bottom left or right corner, and it brings up your different favorites, your interactions, and then a toolbox so you can turn on the different settings and stuff as far as the airplane mode, flashlight, 4G, Wi-Fi, camera. You can do all that stuff just from the swiping to the side. Now I also have, with that app, it comes with a app cleanup. So basically it cleans up all your apps, frees up some RAM as far as that goes. Now after that, as far as the Nova launcher, you can bring up the settings where you can change the wallpaper. You can manage your settings or manage your apps, Nova settings, as well as your system settings. Now in the Nova settings, you can change your desktop. You can change the way the layout, your grid size, the icon layout, your width, your height, and then the search bar. There's a lot of stuff that you can do. I like to use the infinity scroll. That way once you get to the last page, it just starts over again. And then you can also mess around with your page indicator, which the little dots that are at the bottom of each page as you scroll through. And then you can also set up a transition as far as when you change from page to page, which I think is pretty neat. I like the cube one. I don't know why it's kind of giving me that 3D effect. And then you can also have new apps that are automatically installed onto your page or home screen. And then you can also, like I was saying, as far as with the app drawer or widget drawer, you can change the layout and stuff. You can change the background transparency, the scroll effect, and then you have different animations and stuff. Now as far as, you can change the look and feel, you can change the different themes and stuff, but right now I don't have any icon packs currently installed on this Nova launcher. You can also change the screen orientation, the speed, notification bar, and different things like that. You can also change the way the home button works, and then as far as if you push the home button, you can have it bring up apps, shortcuts, different things that you want to do. And then you can also use OK Google as far as for searches and stuff. See if it works out. Oh, gotta bring it back up, because right now I currently don't have this launcher set as a default. So OK Google. Alright, and then it worked. So I mean, you can also, there's different plugins that you can do with this app, so I think it's really great. So I'm just giving you guys a quick overview of the Nova launcher, and then here are some apps or widgets that you can install. Now these widgets are currently already installed on my phone that came with different apps and stuff that I had. Now, like I was saying, as far as with that, my background, I'm using Tap It, which, like I said, changes every 5 minutes. So I can currently set up a widget. If I like a wallpaper, it'll stay that way. And then I have a randomizer as well. But as far as the app goes, I mean, it's a fairly great app. It's fairly simple. It's really similar to the Google Now launcher. So if you're looking for our app launcher, go ahead and pick this one up or download it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Get that correct. The Google Play Store. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.